Hi everyone, if you are new here, hi, this is Vidisha Sen. Welcome to Srishti Show. So today in this video, I am going to share how you can make a beautiful neck piece with jute. The process is super easy and I hope you will like it. First, we need a piece of cardboard, jute thread, hot glue, tassels, few cotton balls, silver thread, scissors, and a terracotta piece. If you don't have terracotta piece, then you can also use any huge oxidized piece. Now take that piece of cardboard and measurement the size of terracotta piece. Draw any shape that you want for your locket. Cut it nicely. We need 4 holes for our tassels. Take a twister or anything which has sharp tip and make holes. Take the silver thread. Insert it in the first hole. And secure the end. Cut the other side and secure it with tassel. Cut the excess. Repeat the same process, but here you have to stitch 2 tassels together. Now, with the help of hot glue, decorate the cardboard with jute thread. If you don't have hot glue, then you can use any strong glue as well. This process is very simple. I love any jute items because I love the color. It's almost done. Now, place the terracotta piece with hot glue. Taking black cotton balls to decorate it more. We have to match these 2 tassels and have to make it one because of balance. So I am removing 2 knots and make a primary knot. And our necklace is done. So simple yet so gorgeous. Let's make the earrings. Take another piece of cardboard. I am using little oxidized piece here. Cotton balls, jute thread, silver pins, and top. Draw your design and cut it off. Wrap them with jute. Compose oxidized pieces with hot glue. Here the whole of cotton balls are big than our pin, so I am making pin's head little big with hot glue. And it's done. If you want, you can wear it without neck piece also. I made another one. Style is different but process is same. Hope you like this video. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please press the red bell button and subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, then please like, share and comment down below. So see you in my next Sunday video.